Hey, I'm Nova, and today I brought you a challenge. Artificial intelligence is advancing so fast that spotting what it does isn't easy anymore. Text, images, voices, videos, all of it can be generated by AI. And that's not necessarily bad, but you need to know how to identify it. So let's take this test together. I'm going to show you 7 examples. You try to guess. And at the end, we'll talk about what this means. Oh, and drop a like if you want more. Videos like this. It helps the channel a ton. First example, a news article. I'll read it to you now, and you decide. Was this written by a human journalist or by artificial intelligence? Here goes. Brazil's tech market recorded 12% growth last quarter, driven primarily by the artificial intelligence and automation sector. According to experts, the trend points toward continuous expansion, with companies investing more and more in digital solutions to optimize processes and reduce operational costs. Pause the video now, think carefully, and write down AI or human. Got it written down? Then let's keep going. I'll give you the answer at the end of the video. For now, hold on to your opinion. Second example, an image. Look at this photo on the screen now. It's a portrait of a person, professional lighting, sharp focus, natural expression. Does this person actually exist, or was it created by artificial intelligence? Notice the details. The eyes, the hair, the skin texture, the shadows on the face. Does it look real? Does it look artificial? Pause again and write down your answer. We usually think we can identify an AI-generated image, but the truth is that today's tools, like Midjourney and DALL-E 3, create images that fool even professional photographers. So, watch those certainties of yours. Third example, a voice. You're about to hear an audio recording saying a simple phrase. Try to figure out, is it a real person speaking, or is it an AI-generated voice? Good morning. I hope you're having a great day. The weather forecast indicates sun in the morning and possibility of rain in the afternoon. So, what do you think? Human voice or artificial intelligence? Write it down. Let me tell you something. Tools like 11 Labs and PlayHT can clone voices with terrifying precision. You can take 30 seconds of someone's audio and make that voice say anything. That's why this test is so tough. Fourth example, JAX and email. Imagine you received this in your inbox. Dear customer, we inform you that your request has been reviewed and approved. The deadline for completing the process is 5 business days. If you have questions, contact us through our support channel. Sincerely, support team. AI or human? Pause and decide. This one's interesting because automated emails have existed for years, but now AIs can write with context, adjust the tone, and seem super personalized. Most people don't even realize they're talking to a robot, especially since the majority of online support today already uses AI at some level. Fifth example, a video. You're about to see a 10-second clip showing a natural landscape. Was this video filmed, or was it generated by artificial intelligence? Write down your answer. Tools like Runway and Pika are creating videos that look like actual footage. Obviously, you can still spot some flaws, like weird movements or objects that deform, but it's already pretty difficult. And soon, it'll be impossible to tell the difference. So you better start training your eye now. Sixth example, an internet comment. Imagine you saw this on a post about artificial intelligence. Found the article really interesting. I've always wondered how AI manages to learn on its own. Do you think it'll replace creative jobs someday too? I'm curious to know. AI or human? Think carefully before answering. This one's tricky because AI already writes comments that seem supernatural. Social networks are full of bots, and many of them comment, like, share, without you noticing. Sometimes you think you're talking to a person, but it's actually an algorithm responding. Seventh and final example, ni a poem. I'll read it now, and you decide if it was written by a human poet or by artificial intelligence. The wind whispers ancient secrets among the leaves of forgotten time. The moon bows, silent guardian of dreams that were never lived. Well, AI or human, last chance to write it down. Poetry is one of the areas where AI has evolved tremendously. Tools like ChatGPT and Claude can write poems with rhyme, meter, and even apparent emotion. Sure, it lacks that human depth, that real lived experience, but aesthetically, it already fools plenty of people. Now for the answers. How many did you get right? Comment down below. Example 1. News article, JI. This text was generated by ChatGPT and looks totally professional. Example 2. Image of the person, AI. Created with Midjourney. This person doesn't exist. Example 3. Audio voice, AI. Generated with 11 Labs. Scary, right? Example 4. Formal email, human. This was written by a person, but could easily be AI. Example 5. Landscape video, AI. Generated with Runway ML. Look again, and you'll see small glitches. Example 6. Social. Media comment, human, but could perfectly well be a bot. Example 7. Poem, AI. Written by Claude. And look how beautiful it turned out. How many did you get right? If you got 5 or more, congratulations. You've got a sharp eye. If you missed most of them, relax. That just shows how fast AI is evolving. The real issue isn't being afraid of this, but understanding what's happening. AI is already part of our daily lives, and it'll be even more. So, what matters is knowing how to identify it, question it, and use this technology consciously. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next ones. Comment down below how many you got right and tell me, do you think AI will become indistinguishable from humans soon? I'm Nova, and I'll see you in the next video.